Welcome back to Men's Health 036. If you're feeling a little anxious about performance, wondering how to connect better with your partner, or looking for ways to boost your stamina without pushing yourself too hard, you're in the right place. I'm going to share 3 powerful secrets nobody tells you: reducing performance anxiety, communicating effectively with your partner, and gentle exercises to improve stamina. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to feel more confident and connected in your intimate life. As men age, it's completely normal to notice changes in energy, libido, or even confidence in the bedroom. Society often tells us that these changes are something to be ashamed of, but I'm here to tell you that's not true. Confidence in intimacy isn't about being 20 again. It's about feeling great in your body and your relationship right now. The 3 areas we'll cover today: reducing performance anxiety, communicating with your partner, and building stamina through gentle exercises, are all about empowering you to take control. These aren't quick fixes or gimmicks. They're practical, science-based strategies to help you thrive. Let's start with the first secret: tackling performance anxiety. Performance anxiety is one of the biggest hurdles men face in the bedroom, especially after 50. It's that voice in your head saying, "What if I can't perform?" or "What if I disappoint my partner?" Let's break this down. Anxiety triggers your body's fight or flight response, releasing stress hormones like cortisol that can make it harder to relax and enjoy intimacy. The good news? You can manage this with simple techniques. Here are 4 strategies to reduce performance anxiety. Mindful breathing. Deep, slow breaths can calm your nervous system. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes before an intimate moment. It signals to your brain that you're safe and in control. Reframe your mindset. Instead of focusing on performance, think of intimacy as connection. Your partner values closeness, not a perfect score. Ask yourself, what's one way I can make my partner feel loved tonight? This shifts the pressure off you. Set realistic expectations. Aging brings changes. Maybe you don't have the same stamina or spontaneity as you did at 30, and that's okay. Focus on quality over quantity. Studies show most couples prioritize emotional connection over physical feats. Talk to a professional. If anxiety feels overwhelming, consider speaking with a therapist or doctor. Conditions like erectile dysfunction or low testosterone are common and treatable. There's no shame in seeking help. It's a sign of strength. Let's practice one of these now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Feel that calm? That's your body resetting. Try this whenever anxiety creeps in. Reducing anxiety is about giving yourself permission to be human. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. Now, let's move to the second secret: communication with your partner. Intimacy thrives on connection, and connection starts with communication. Men over 50 often tell me they feel hesitant to talk about bedroom concerns with their partner. Maybe you worry about hurting their feelings or seeming vulnerable. But here's the truth: open communication builds trust and brings you closer. Here are 4 ways to make these conversations easier. Start outside the bedroom. Don't wait for an intimate moment to bring up concerns. Try talking during a walk or over coffee. Say something like, "I've been thinking about how we can make our time together even better. Can we talk about it?" This sets a positive tone. Use I statements. Instead of saying, "You make me feel pressured," try, "I sometimes feel nervous about meeting expectations." This keeps the focus on your feelings and avoids blame. Ask open-ended questions. Get your partner's perspective. Try, "What's something you'd love for us to try together?" or "How can I make you feel more connected?" This invites collaboration and shows you care. Be honest about changes. Aging affects everyone. If you're noticing changes like lower libido or slower arousal, share that. Say, "I've noticed my body's responding differently lately, and I'd love to work on this together." Most partners appreciate honesty. It deepens your bond. Here's a quick tip: schedule a check-in with your partner once a month. It doesn't have to be heavy. Just 10 minutes to talk about what's working and what you both want more of. Communication isn't a one-time fix. It's a habit that builds confidence over time. When you open up to your partner, you're not just solving problems, you're creating a stronger, more intimate connection. Now, let's talk about the third secret: gentle exercises to boost stamina. Stamina isn't about running marathons or lifting heavy weights. It's about building endurance in a way that's sustainable for your body. For men over 50, gentle exercises can improve blood flow, energy, and confidence in the bedroom. Here are 3 exercises you can start today, no gym required. Always check with your doctor before starting a new routine, especially if you have health conditions. Kegel exercises for pelvic floor strength. Strong pelvic floor muscles improve blood flow and control during intimacy. To do Kegels, imagine stopping the flow of urine midstream. That's the muscle you're targeting. Squeeze for 5 seconds, relax for 5, and repeat 10 times, 3 times a day. Brisk walking for cardiovascular health. Good blood flow is key to stamina. Aim for a 20 to 30-minute brisk walk, 5 days a week. Keep a pace where you can talk but not sing. This boosts heart health and energy without straining your body. Seated core exercises. A strong core supports your body during intimacy. Try seated leg lifts. Sit in a chair. Lift one leg straight out. Hold for 3 seconds, lower, and repeat 10 times per leg. Do 2 sets daily. This strengthens your lower abs and hips. These exercises are low impact but powerful. Start small, maybe 5 minutes a day, and build up. Over time, you'll notice better energy and confidence. Plus, exercise releases endorphins, which naturally reduce anxiety. It's a win-win. Consistency is key. Pick one exercise to start with this week and let me know in the comments how it's going. Your body will thank you, and so will your confidence. Let's recap the 3 secrets to bedroom confidence for men over 50. First, reduce performance anxiety with mindful breathing, reframing your mindset, setting realistic expectations, and seeking professional help if needed. Second, communicate openly with your partner using I statements, asking questions, and scheduling regular check-ins. Third, boost stamina with gentle exercises like Kegels, brisk walking, and seated core work. You don't need to overhaul your life to feel confident again. Start with one small step today, maybe a breathing exercise or a conversation with your partner. Over time, these changes add up to big results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Men's Health 036 for more practical health tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Drop a comment below. Which of these secrets are you going to try first? Or let me know what other topics you'd love us to cover. I'm here to support you on this journey. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. Take one step today toward feeling more confident and connected. You deserve it. See you next time on Men's Health 036. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.